What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. You can see all of our new inventory as we get in every week, and you can watch me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. Please subscribe today. We'll see you then. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I have the most iconic classic car ever, the famous Bullet Mustang. This is coming out of my personal collection. It's a car I've had for about a year. Problem is, I don't drive it at all. I don't like to put miles on my cars. I don't like to beat them. I like to let them sit in the garage, and that's a problem sometimes. So I've decided to let it go. I'm going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, this car only has good. Got a few little flaws, but it's better than a solid car. This is a show car. This has been ground up restoration, rotisserie, and we'll go through it together. Before we do our walkthrough, guys, do me a favor. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to see all of our classic cars. And also, you follow the journey of us going out and buying them, chasing classic cars and selling them. Hit that subscribe button right now for me. Okay, so this is a 1967. Bullet's actually a 68, but it was made to look like a 1968. Every single panel on this car has been replaced except for the roof. But quarters were done, fenders were done, all the undercarriage, all floors, all torque boxes. Frame. It's not a frame off, but it's because there's no frame on the car, but it's a complete restoration. Torque boxes, all of it. There is frame rails, they were all replaced. The car is absolutely gorgeous. It's got a lot of cool upgrades too, which I will take you through. Now, it's originally a 67 C-code Mustang, so it came with a 289 from the factory, and it had an automatic transmission. So this has got a 302, nice built up. I got about $20,000 in receipts for the engine and transmission, paired with a 5-speed T5 transmission. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side door. Driver's side door is in really good shape. Paint's in great shape. You can see my reflection without no problem, and there's not real great lighting here. I'll put the light on just so you can see it a little bit better. It's in really good shape. I did have it out from my other location, brought it to our warehouse so we can sell it, and it was raining outside, so there's a little water down at the bottom. Body line is nice and tight on this all the way. It's nice and even. No flaws on this door at all. Again, and I don't mean the body line, I'm sorry, the gaps. The gaps are perfect. The body lines are also perfect. There's no body work on this car as far as Bondo. It's all metal work. Gap on this is perfect. This fender is also perfect. Tires pretty much new. It's got no miles on it, and rim is perfect as well. One flaw here I will point out, the gaps on both sides are good on the hood, but the hood is sitting up just a tad here by, I would say, probably 2 millimeters. That needs a little adjustment there, and that's just me being anal about it. You got one chip right here. And that's why I don't drive the car. I'm not the type of person that can enjoy cars like this. I like driver cars that I don't care if they get messed up. Because this car is so nice, when I drive it and I get a chip like this, it just annoys the crap out of me, makes me not want to drive it. I don't know if you guys are like that. Let me know. Leave me a comment. The chrome is in great shape. There's no pitting or anything. There's a few, scratches on it, nothing deep. It just needs to be polished. Lights are in perfect condition. It's got the blackout grille just like Bullet. These are also blacked out, which is pretty cool. You got the iconic tag on it, Bullets tag. Fog lights down at the bottom. You got a nice hood, and this actually works, so it's got the turn signals lights in it. Going to this fender, you got one little chip here. Tires in great shape, wheels in great shape. Chip there and a chip there. They need to be touched in. So you got those 3 chips on the car and one in the rear, which I'll show you. No scratches, no dings, no dents. Roof's in great shape. Quarters in great shape, no Bondo, nothing. No overspray, just a great car. Door opens up nice. We'll get into the interior in a little bit. But look, jams are nice. Closes right up. No issues at all. Rear tires are also almost new. Biggest flaw of the car is right here. This scratch right here. It's got a little scuff right there. Glass is in good shape. Trunk is in good shape. Gaps are nice. Chrome is beautiful. This is beautiful, all new. It's got the GT cap. And I have paperwork for the whole build. This build, when my client had it done, he spent over $90,000 on this build. It was close to $100,000 in 2019. It's got great exhaust on it. Little dirt here, but there's no damage at all. Back to this tire and wheel. Just a real solid car. More than solid. Door closes perfect. Interior's new all the way. Back seats in perfect condition. Speakers work. It's got Bluetooth, Kenwood, 5-speed. You got these upgraded gauges, which is cool. 2,500 miles since the rebuild. Everything works. Turn signals. All the gauges. Got this beautiful map light that goes on. This is a cool feature to have, and this is a little different material than they normally use, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk. You got one key for everything. So when they had this built, that's what they did. Trunk, perfect. Got a cover here, dash pad forward. I mean, it's just beautiful, guys. Before we look under the hood, I want to show you underneath the car. And it's, I mean, you will not get an undercarriage better than this. Probably not even in a new car. Just perfect. Suspension's all new. I mean, everything in this car is new. Brakes are all new. It's got front disc brakes. The engine completely rebuilt, 2,500 miles on it. Power steering, power brakes. The only thing this car doesn't have is AC, and I would recommend putting AC. That would complete this car. Upgraded radiator, everything. I'll fire it up. Oh, we left the key in the back. Let's grab that key real quick. See how this shuts too. That shuts good. Like I said, this was my personal car, so I like really nice cars, and this is one of them. Got a nice cam in it. Just a real nice car, guys. If you're interested in it, give me a call, 215-801-9493. Up for sale now at BobEvansClassics.com. Appreciate you guys checking it out.